So most people get into real estate for passive income. Well, you could get your real estate license when you're 18. So you can get your real estate license when you're 18. I actually started to watch Carlton Sheets back in the 80s and the 90s, and there was a Chinese guy on the boat with the two blondes on the water, the infomercial. So I've been trying to get into real estate for a long time at a young age, when I was 15, 16 years old. So, but when you're legally 18, you can get your real estate license. And then once you get your license, every agent, wants to be, an investor at some point or another to build a portfolio of their rental properties or, apartment buildings or self-storage, and have some sort of passive cash flow coming in. So most people get into real estate for passive income, passive cash flow.